Hi there. This video is about everything you should know about the Interceptor 650 from Royal Enfield's family, which has been a revolutionary step in the mid-class engines. Let's start with the looks. Being from a family of classics and bullets, it has the same retro legacy and tough build that's prominent from the head to the tail of the bike. Powering this machine is a fuel injected 646cc parallel twin cylinder engine which is oil and air cooled, and it produces an amazing power figure of 47 HP at 7150 rpm and 52 Newton meter of torque at 5250 rpm, and it is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. Talking about the front, as you can see, it has an halogen headlight with DRLs adding to the character of this bike. Bike has a 41 mm of conventional front forks with 110 mm of travel, and at the rear are twin gas charged shock absorbers with 88 mm of travel. How do they really perform? We will see in the later part of the video. Ground clearance is about ideal at 174 mm for our Indian roads. Front tire is a 100 by 90 section R18 tube tire and 130 by 70 section R18 tube tires at the rear, both with spoke wheels. Talking about the brakes, they are 320 disc at the front and 240 at the rear with dual channel ABS as standard. The speedometer console is a signature Royal Enfield with dual dials. The left dial shows speed and the right one is a tachometer. Both the dials are analog, no funky digital stuff. Speedometer contains other basic information such as the odometer, trip meter and fuel gauge. Coming to the seat height, it is 804 might be a problem for the shorter riders. Fuel tank capacity is 13.7 liters. Curb weight is 202 kgs. Power to weight ratio is 232.6 HP per ton. That's it about the specification. Now let's move on to how the bike really feels while riding. Firstly, I want to make a statement by saying that Interceptor 650 is one of the most value for money bike in Indian market. If you are a fan of classics and retros, you would love the way this bike looks, and even if you are not a fan of retros, still you would love the way this bike performs. This 650 twin cylinder engine is very smooth and refined, and you will hardly feel any vibration. The pull of this engine will literally throw you back from the seat. It has a wide and strong torque band and is an excellent touring machine. The exhaust sounds great and is definitely a head turner. The suspension setup is perfect for Indian roads and it glides over potholes and bad roads very easily. The brakes offer good bite and ABS works perfectly. Even the tires offer a good grip. The seat is comfortable and wide for rider as well as for the pillion. Even though the lights are halogen, they offer a good illumination. Depending upon the riding style, it will return an average of 24 to 28 km per liter. Speaking about the negatives of the bike, firstly, Royal Enfield seems to have taken the retro styling very seriously, as the bike comes with halogens and no projectors, not even a single LED. Even the speedometer is very basic. The bike is quite heavy with 202 kg of curb weight and is tough to move around a standing position and in stop and go traffics. For a beginner, this could be a challenge until he gets used to it. The footpeg positioning of rider and the pillion is very awkward. It's very uncomfortable for the pillion to sit for a long time even though the seats are very comfortable. And for the rider, the footpeg creates obstruction while moving around in stop position. Definitely it won't be an issue once you get used to it. Since the tires come with spoke wheels, you will get tube tires. That's it. Can't really complain if you are getting a 650 at a price of 300. On-road price of Interceptor 650 in Goa is around 3.4 lakhs. At the end, if your budget is around 3 to 4 lakh rupees, then Interceptor 650 is a bike which you should definitely consider. You are getting a 650cc twin cylinder engine, great ride and comfort, and obviously a great exhaust. This bike doesn't really have any direct competitors. Interceptor is less than half the price of other bikes in 600 to 700cc capacity, such as the Kawasaki's, Bonnie by Triumph, Harley Davidson Street 750. Considering the price range, Duke 390, BMW G310R, Ninja 300, Apache RR 310R could be a few competitors. Thank you for watching the video. Do hit the like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.